Hello guys, welcome to Nutshell School. So today we are going to be learning about pitch correction in Logic Pro X. So first of all, what is pitch correction? Pitch correction is an electronic effects unit or audio software that changes the intonation of an audio signal so that all pitches will be notes from the equally tempered system. Pitch correction devices do this without affecting other aspects of its sound. So this is the sound that we are going to be pitching today, and let's listen to it first and try to identify which scale this vocal is in.
मैं क्या सुन लो जी थोड़ी चंगियां लगदियां बातां मैं क्या सुन लो जी थोड़ी चंगियां लगदियां बातां
So this is the totally raw vocal and there is no effect on it. So before we apply the pitch correction plugin to this vocal, we'll create a new track, new software instrument track, and we'll select a piano or a grand piano and pad kind of thing. And the main purpose of this software instrument track is to just to create a MIDI out of it, and so that we can play the piano and match the scale of the vocals, the scale in which the vocals are, so we can play the piano. And
1 2 3 go
so just record it. We'll just play 2-3 notes and the MIDI will be there.
मैं क्या सुन लो जी थोड़ी चंगियां लगदियां बातां
So as you can see, we have a green MIDI thing over here. So if we double click on this, we can select the note. So if you double click and delete all the notes that are already there, this is just for the reference, just to create this MIDI file. So now we'll select the first track of the vocals, and then we'll go in the audio effects. We'll choose pitch correction and stereo. So the pitch correction console will be there. So the first thing that you need to do is we'll have to find the notes that are being used in the vocals. So you must have like basic knowledge of notes, like what kind of notes are being played. You should be able to identify the notes from the vocals. So we'll play the vocals and then we'll try to match the notes that are there in the vocals.
मैं क्या सुन लो जी थोड़ी चंगियां लगदियां बातां
So the main note in this song is so you have to just open the grand piano and try to find which note is that. So if you open it up and then let's play it again.
मैं क्या सुन लो जी थोड़ी चंगियां
So this is the note. So this is the note that is matching with the vocals. So this is fifth black and that's A sharp, or you can say B flat. So the next thing that we'll see is it in major or minor. So for that we'll have to find out all the notes in the song. So let's play and find out all the notes that are being played in the vocal, that are being used in the vocal. So let's see.
मैं क्या सुन लो जी ਥੋੜੀ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੁਣ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ
So these are the 5 notes.
Sa, Re.
So we have to just find out these notes. So the scale is A sharp, and these are the notes. So once you have selected, you know which notes are being played in the track, you go to pitch correction, and then you select the scale your song is in. So it's a minor, so you can go directly to M for minor, and the main note is A sharp, that's the scale. So it will automatically select a few notes, and it sometimes selects wrong notes, and it always doesn't work perfectly, so you have to manually adjust it once. Now if you play and listen to how it sounds is, so you can get an idea.
मैं क्या सुन लो जी
You can listen like this. It's not perfect, it's not good. So you have to select all the notes that are being used in the vocals in the song. So those were the 5 notes that we selected.
ये वाले
A sharp, C,
A sharp, C, C sharp, D sharp, and then F. A sharp, A sharp, sorry, A sharp, C, C sharp, D sharp, and then F.
so these 5 notes you have to in the pitch correction you go and you select A sharp is there, then we have C, C sharp, D sharp, F, and let's listen how this.
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਆ ਸੁਣ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਤ
So no, so at that point changiyan, you can listen that there's a problem. Changiyan, so this is the note, so that note is changiyan.
G sharp.
So this is G sharp, this is the note that was missing. So now you know the note that was missing, that's why it was sounding not that good. So now go back to the pitch correction and select the note that was missing. So once you select G sharp, and now if you listen to the track, I hope there's no errors in it now. It'll be really nice.
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਆ ਸੁਣ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਆ ਸੁਣ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ
So that's perfect. So there's no errors in it. And so what are these options? So these are the options like how much you want to detune.
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਆ ਸੁਣ ਲੋ ਜੀ
So you can see. So we should not use this much. This is for to detune, basically used to harmonize or other ways of using this. But don't change it. If you are correcting it, then don't change it. And this is the response. So this is the how much response you want the pitch corrector to give to the vocals. So the more response you'll have, the more it will be pitched, and the less response is like it'll be raw, no effect from the pitch correction. So this is the percentage of response.
ਮੈਂ ਕਿਆ ਸੁਣ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ
So if you just it's a very robotic sound if you don't use it that much. So you should use it a little bit, around like 122 ms. So with this you will definitely find a very nice vocal, very pitched vocal, very tuned vocal. So let's listen once again.
मैं क्या सुन लो जी ਥੋੜੀ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੁਣ ਲੋ ਜੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਚੰਗੀਆਂ ਲੱਗਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ
So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and hit the bell icon, and thanks for watching. Thank you.